this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Birds and Branches bundle from Stampin' Up. Here's the card, and I started with some shimmery white cardstock. This cardstock is great because you can watercolor on it. It does really well with water, so that's what I'm going to start with. I used Balmy Blue ink and one of our new water painters. I used the larger pointed brush, round brush, and I'm going to start by squeezing and adding some water here. I just like to add water. It softens up the color when I add the color on, so it doesn't leave any harsh areas of color. So I can just have some nice soft color on there. I'm just gonna create this color blob, this watercolor blob. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. I'm gonna use early espresso for some of my branches. And while I'm letting that dry, I'll show you the bundle, Birds and Branches. We've got this two cute little birds facing opposite ways, which is perfect. I love that they're facing opposite ways. You have two ways to color them. You can color the full bird, or you can just color the wing. You've got the nest and eggs, you've got a heart, you've got all their little feet, branches and leaves, and you've got the dies to cut those out, as well as some extra dies. You've got this really pretty window die that I've used in my other cards videos that you can check out, as well as this lovely leaf and branch die that I've also used in my other videos. I've used this in one of my other videos, this leaf edgelit, super pretty too. So you can check out my other videos using this bundle. So I've already stamped and cut out the nest, the eggs, and the bird, as well as this little stitched rectangle, scalloped rectangle from the Stitch So Sweetly dies. And I am going to go ahead and stamp with Misty Moonlight, one of the new in colors. Just gonna stamp hello from the Forever Fern stamp set. So I'm just gonna put that right in the middle, hopefully, yep. And then let's see if this is dry enough. It should be pretty dry. It's pretty dry. So I'm gonna start by stamping the branches in early espresso. I'm gonna stamp the long ones first. Just gonna do a couple out to the side here. Just one like that. Maybe one up here. And then I'll do this little short branch coming up here. And I'll do the leaves in Mossy Meadow. And the leaves line up with the branches very nicely. So just gonna stamp leaves all the way around. They're just gonna overlap sometimes, which is nice. So now I'm ready to put together the card. So I'm gonna be putting some dimensionals on all of these. I'm gonna put a mini on the bird and some of the eggs. And then regular dimensionals on the nest and sentiment. So first I'm going to adhere this down to a Misty Moonlight card base. And I'm gonna put lots of adhesive on because when you use water on paper, it tends to warp the paper. So I wanna really try to flatten the paper by using a lot of adhesive. All right, that looks pretty good, pretty flat. You could also use the Stampin' Seal Plus. That would be a good adhesive to use, it's stronger. I'm going to put the nest about down here. Then I'll add the bird over here, watching over her eggs. I'll add the sentiment up here. And then I'm going to use a glue dot for this egg. It's pretty small. Glue dots just make it easy on small things. So I'll just put this one in the middle. And I'm gonna add these two little eggs to the sides. One over here. One over here. And there we have our Birds and Branches card. The eggs look crooked. That's okay. I am offering a class which includes 2 of these cards, 2 of these, and 2 of these. If you purchase the Birds and Branches bundle, you'll get 10% off, as well as this class for free. Just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and use this hostess code, and you'll receive this class for free. If you already have this bundle, you can purchase $50 using this hostess code again, and send me an email letting me know that you would like this class, and I will send it to you. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.